Luisa.
Luisa.
All right. I'm going to sit this over here out of the way for a while. All right. All right, so Lee Mac 912, and we are here at the 2026 PCA trade show, and I saw this lovely lady in front of a very colorful booth with a beautiful smile, and I asked her if she would sit down and talk with us and tell us a little bit about her cigars and the brand, and here you go. So what we got here, Ms. Luisa?
Well, thank you so much for the opportunity.
Absolutely.
Of course, and yeah, we are here. This is our first year on the PCA. We are a brand new company. We only have 1 year in the market.
Okay.
I'm from the Dominican Republic, so it's kind of, we all Dominicans grew up with the tobacco, right? So, and now, like, I start working with big companies for a while, so I kind of learn a lot from tobacco. Then I have my friends to push me a lot to create my own brand.
So one of the things I know about the Dominican people, my buddy Francisco Almonte, I'm sure you know Francisco, everybody knows Francisco. He's just like a loving people kind of person, very passionate about tobacco, and so I can understand that, you know.
Yeah, I mean, it's like we all grow up somehow very close to tobacco. So, or our parents or our grandparents, they all smoke.
Right.
So, and that's why, you know, it's like I can say that a single Dominican cannot tell today that they are not involved or they don't know someone or they not being in a family that actually does smoke cigars. Right. Yes. So, but yeah, we're here.
So LB, what's LB?
Luisa Bautista.
Is that you?
Yeah, Luisa Bautista.
Luisa Bautista.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah. So in the cigar industry, a lot of people know me for LB. So I try to keep it simple, like, you know, and the booths. People ask me the booths. I just love booths.
You just love booths?
I just love booths. I love booths. I think that they're very, very powerful. So this is.
So I just want to show that box there. You see how the bulls are there, very pretty color, and this is like a raised, embossed box. So it's a beautiful box.
Yes. So this was my first line, actually. I have two blends that was my first one.
Okay.
I made those in Costa Rica. So that blends that they gave me the opportunity to do myself. So I have two different blends. One is from Ecuadorian wrapper and another one Havana wrapper. Two different profiles, but they both are very, very complex blend. We use tobacco, of course. Most of the tobacco is Dominican, of course, and then I use tobacco from Ecuador, from Peru, from Nicaragua. And now we have different lines, like the one that you have on the horse. That I'm making that one. I'm making those in Honduras. That one is my only puro. That one is my only puro.
Is puro for what type of tobacco, though?
When puro means that it's like,
I know what it means.
Know what I mean?
Honduras. It's Honduras.
It's 100% Honduras. It's fillers, wrapper, everything is 100% Honduras. Very smooth, delicate cigar.
Honduran and Costa Rican are some of my two favorite tobaccos.
I mean, they're good. So these are made in Costa Rica. Those are made in Honduras. Also, I have a new line that is called 056. 056 is our cereal code in the Dominican Republic where you're born. So every city has their own number. So in mine is 056. So I try to kind of recreate. I had tried to do something for my town. So which the boxes. I will just show you the boxes in a little bit.
B-roll so we can shoot it there, so we look at the 056.
And basically that's it. Like, and those are like 100%. Those are blends also. Tobacco from Nicaragua, from Honduras. We are here, PCA, trying to let everybody know about us. Because my biggest buyers right now is the Asian market. So, and I decided to just come forward and try to start doing more business in the United States.
So what I found is that there are so many companies that the viewers don't know about, right? And they're like great cigars. And you don't have an opportunity to smoke them and you don't know about it. So it's good to be here at the trade show, and hopefully the retailers will be able to take a chance and get the orders and get the name out there or whatever, you know, so that'll be a good thing. So you've got, is it 3 blends now?
I have 5.
5?
Oh, 5 blends.
So
five blends.
What's the price point on your blends?
What stores normally like $13, $14. Very not bad at all.
Yep.
Not bad at all.
And then sizes, what do you do? Robusto, Toro?
Well, my first blend I do Robusto, Toro, and Lanceros.
Okay.
And my new blends, I'm doing only Toros this time.
Roger.
Because those are my biggest sales.
Yeah, they
Toros are my biggest sale, and yeah, I just want to keep it simple, like you know, like trying to just go and grow little by little, step by step.
So if anybody wants to take a look, they want to buy some LB cigars, where would they be able to find them?
So if you are in the Tampa area, we have it in Ybor City and King Corona Cigars. If you want to buy it online, like right now, we have it in cigardirect.com. Also, if you're overseas, we have more store overseas than the United States. But in the United States right now, that's why we're here, trying to get like a new stores to get and carry our cigars. I also have another store in New Jersey.
Where? From New
Old
Jersey.
Tampa. It's like Old Tampa. Oh my God, I forgot the name of that store. He's gonna kill me.
We'll have to look that one up.
Yeah, exactly. He's gonna kill me if I forgot his name, like the name of the store. Yeah, but
what
also.
What city is it in, you know? See, now look, there I go making it hard, asking hard questions.
Yeah, you kill me on that. I don't have idea where the city is, but I just say New Jersey.
New Jersey.
New Jersey, that's it.
You happen to get a New Jersey guy who goes, oh yeah, where?
Yeah, exactly.
That's okay.
Yeah, we're there, and hopefully we start like getting more stores like around. But we do sell a lot in Cigar Direct. So they normally when people ask me, I just send them to that page, Cigar Direct, and they just can order online.
Okay, good.
Not a problem. And you know, a lot of people go to Tampa a lot. So which I'm local, so you're gonna see me if you go to Tampa. I have the opportunity. Most likely, if I'm not going around somewhere, I will be at the store at King Corona, like you know, doing my stuff over there.
Next time I come to Tampa, I'll have to look you up for sure.
LB,
thank you so much for your time.
Welcome.
I appreciate you taking some time out of your busy schedule and letting the folks know about LB Cigars. Look forward to review and the cigars on the channel coming soon.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you so much. I appreciate
you. Ooh, scooch out. There we go.
There we go.
Thank you.
Did I give you the cigar? Or was this one?
No, let me see. So
that's the ones I like the most.